The Buzzing Bee presents a read-aloud story.
Dear Zoo by Campbell. I wrote to the zoo to send me a pet. They sent me an elephant. He was too big. I sent him back. So they sent me a giraffe. He was too tall. I sent him back. So they sent me a lion. He was too fierce. I sent him back. So they sent me a camel. He was too grumpy. I sent him back. So they sent me a snake. He was too scary. I sent him back. So they sent me a monkey. He was too naughty. I sent him back. So they sent me a frog. He was too jumpy. I sent him back. So they thought very hard and sent me a puppy. He was too perfect. I kept him. The end.
Thank you for watching. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel. Please click on like, share it with your friends, and do drop us a line in the comment section.